Okay, in this first example, we have to show that this figure at the right, guys, we have to show that. I want one of you guys to tell me how I say that. In the figure at the right, show that triangle ABC, yeah?
Is the same as.
Not is the same as. Is similar to. Yeah. Excellent, well done. Triangle ABC is similar to. So triangle ABC, similar to triangle XYZ. Happy with that? Cool. So these are our two triangles.
Did you realise that was doing that?
They're our two triangles. Okay. Yeah, I didn't mind it not underlining, but yeah, I'll do that. Okay. We have to prove that they're similar. How are you going to do it?
This happened all day yesterday.
Remember, there are two ways. Guys, I need you to stop talking so that the other people can listen. There are two ways we can prove that they're similar. We can either use the sides, or we can use the angles. The symbols represent the angles, but yes. Okay. So I've either got sides or angles. Do we have any symbols on there mentioning whether the sides are the same? Guys, do we have any symbols on there saying that the sides are the same or in ratio? Is there any way we can work out if they're in the same ratio? The sides? No? Have we got any measurements on the sides?
No.
Is there anything to help us with the sides at all?
No.
Right, so you're not going to do it that way.
Angles.
Okay, so we're going to do the angles. So what can we have a look at the angles?
The symbols.
We have the symbols. What do those symbols mean? Excellent. So anything with a little dot is equal to anything else with a little dot.
Yep.
Okay, so that means that angle and that angle are equal. How do we write that down? Because that's good. Alright, we can write angle B, but the problem with writing angle B is in certain circumstances you could have more than one angle B.
Angle B.
So let's call it,
is the same as YXZ.
let's go ABC. You always put the one that you're talking about in the middle. Okay? So you're going ABC. Cool? So angle ABC equals what angle? Excellent. Now, can I just ask you to do me a small favour? You don't really need to do this in this particular case, but I'd like you to get in the habit. I want a reason.
Because it's on the middle.
Okay, so we don't actually say because they've got the dots. We just say given. Well, we're proving that they're corresponding.
What is that done?
What? Transversals, when you've got two parallel lines and transversal. And they are corresponding angles, but they don't have to be equal.
Is that the F and the
Yeah.
C and the thing?
Yeah. So the reason in this one is that it's given. Because they gave it to you in the question, you can just write given. Okay, what's the next one? Hello. Someone give me another one.
Angle BCA
Okay, so we're going BCA. Yeah?
equals
Thank you. YZX.
Wait, what was it? BCA.
Yeah.
There is a YZX now. They had to do YZX. There is a YZX now.
Okay, last one. Let's get this done before we're finished.
Angle. Wait. BAC.
Yeah?
Sarah.
So that's going that way.
Angle Y and Z.
Now we only really had to do two, but we've done all three. Now you just need to make a conclusion.
They are similar.
They have similar angles.
They have equal angles. But now we're going to say that that triangle is similar to.
Equals.
Now we need to say why. It's actually, this is going to be a very, very common answer for you. This reason is going to be very similar.
A, B, C, 1, 2, 3.
No, No Jackson 5 in the classroom. Close. The symbols told us that they're equal. What we want to know, what we want to say is that the angles are equal, but which angles? Because I could have a triangle where this angle and this angle are equal, but that's not very helpful because they're not what? There's that word that I talked about with driving in the car, sitting in the same spot.
Corresponding.
Corresponding.
Literally, I caught you. You said you always put the X's like that. You've got it as a time for my brother capital.
Capitals.
Fine.
I caught
But no, that's good. You're keeping on. That's the important word in this one, or corresponding. And that is your first one in this. Everyone happy with that?
Yep.
They're pretty cool.